Oil changes are the most common car maintenance task in the world, and also the most misunderstood. For years, many mechanics have been telling customers to change their oil far more often than necessary. But why? Today, we're uncovering the truth behind oil change myths, the business incentives, and how you can avoid getting ripped off. Number 1. The 3,000-mile myth. For decades, the magic number was 3,000 miles. Mechanics told you, if you don't change your oil every 3,000 miles, your engine will die. But here's the twist. This advice comes from the 1970s and 1980s, when engines were older, dirtier, and oils were less advanced. Modern engines can easily go 6,000 to 10,000 miles, and synthetic oils last even longer. So why do many shops still repeat the old rule? Because shorter intervals bring customers back faster. Number 2. Oil changes equals easy money. A lot of car shops use oil changes as a profit strategy. An oil change itself doesn't make much money, but it gets your car into the shop. They want your car inside their shop. Once your car is already up on the lift and the mechanic is looking at it, they can easily start recommending more things. This is where the real money comes from. They begin suggesting services like engine flush, brake fluid change, transmission service, cabin filter and air filter replacements, fuel system cleaning, and sometimes fake urgent repairs. Most of these are not needed every time. Some are not needed at all. Oil changes act like a hook, a simple, cheap service that pulls customers in. After that, the shop tries to make extra profit by convincing you to buy more. This is why so many places offer discounts or fast oil change deals. They don't care about the oil change profit. They care about what comes next. The real business is not the oil. The real business is everything they can sell to you after the oil. Number 3. Fear tactics. Another method some mechanics use is fear. They know most car owners don't understand engines very well, so they use scary language to push people into agreeing to services they don't need. You'll hear lines like, "Your oil looks very dark, that's dangerous. If you don't fix this, your engine could blow. You're overdue. This is serious. I wouldn't drive this car another mile." To someone who doesn't know much about cars, these lines sound frightening. Nobody wants their engine to break. So people agree without thinking twice. But here's the truth. Oil becomes dark very quickly, even after a few days. Dark oil does not automatically mean dirty or harmful. Color is not a real test of oil quality. Oil can look black and still be perfectly healthy and protective. Number 4. Dealership tricks. Dealerships also use tricks to make you come back again and again. Most people think a dealership is the safest place to service their car. But the truth is, dealerships make most of their money after selling you the car, not from selling the car itself. One of their biggest tricks is the service reminder system inside your car. Almost every modern car has a dashboard message like "Maintenance required" or "Service soon." But here is the part they don't tell you. That message does not check your oil quality. It does not test your engine. It does not know if your oil is dirty or clean. It is just a timer that counts miles. Dealerships often set this timer to shorter intervals on purpose, like 3,000 or 5,000 miles, even if your car can easily go much longer. When the message pops up, drivers get scared. They think something is wrong with the engine, so they rush back to the dealership. And once you are inside the service department, they try to sell you more things: filters, flushes, alignments, inspections, many of which you don't actually need at that time. This is their business model. Shorter intervals bring more customers. More customers mean more upsells. More upsells mean more money. This is why dealerships earn billions every year from over-servicing. They don't want you to come once or twice a year. They want you to keep coming back as often as possible. Number 5. Oil quality has improved. Motor oil today is completely different from the oil used 20 or 30 years ago. Back then, engine oil would break down quickly because engines ran hotter and oils were not very advanced. But modern oil, especially synthetic oil, is designed to survive high heat, reduce friction, and protect your engine for a very long time. Synthetic oils don't burn or get dirty as fast as old oils. They stay smooth and protective even after thousands of miles. Today, most modern cars are built to run 7,500 to 10,000 miles on one oil change. Some luxury cars can even go 12,000 or 15,000 miles, depending on the engine. But many mechanics still tell you to change your oil every 3,000 miles. Not because your car needs it, but because they want you to come back sooner. If customers only change their oil once or twice a year, shops lose a lot of business. That is why they ignore the improvements in modern oil technology. They pretend nothing has changed. But the truth is, engines are better, oils are better, and you do not need oil changes as often as before. Number 6. How mechanics think. It's important to understand something. Not all mechanics lie. Many are honest and hardworking, but the business they work in depends on constant money flow. Oil changes are the easiest and fastest service a shop can offer. A mechanic can finish an oil change in 15 to 20 minutes. It doesn't require expensive tools or difficult work. But here's the trick. An oil change brings the customer into the shop. And once the customer is inside, the shop can look for more things to sell. Brakes, filters, flushes, or small repairs. This is why some shops keep telling you to change your oil more often than necessary. If they tell you the truth, that your car only needs 1 or 2 oil changes a year, they will lose thousands of dollars from every regular customer. So instead, they use short intervals, old advice, and fear tactics. Not because your engine needs it, but because their business needs it. Number 7. How to protect yourself. So here's how to avoid being misled. 1. Follow your owner manual, not the shop sticker. 2. Use synthetic oil if recommended. Lasts longer, protects more. 3. Check your oil yourself with the dipstick. 4. Don't fall for fear of tactics about color. 5. Don't accept unnecessary add-on services. 6. Ask, is this required by the manufacturer? Knowledge is protection. Your car is one of the biggest investments in your life. You depend on it every day. You trust it with your time, your safety, and your money. So you deserve clear, honest information. Not pressure, not confusion, not lies. The truth is simple. Most modern engines are stronger than ever. Most modern oils last longer than ever. And most of the old advice you hear is outdated. When you follow your manual, when you check your car yourself, when you ask the right questions, you save money, protect your engine, and stay in control of your decisions. Remember this: shops and dealerships want frequent customers, but you want a healthy engine and a fair price. And now, you finally know the difference. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And if you want more tips, hacks, and insider secrets about cars that most mechanics won't tell you, make sure you subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Drive safe, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next video.